Today our topic is grade of concrete and water-cement ratio. So move towards our today's topic. Before we move towards our today's topic, we have to know about what is concrete mix design. Concrete mix design. Concrete is a composite mixture which consists of cement, sand, and aggregate. Concrete mix design is the procedure for finding the right quantities of these materials to achieve the desired strength. Accurate concrete mix design makes concrete construction economical. Large constructions such as bridges, dams, requires huge amount of concrete. Using the right quantity of constituents make the structure economical. In order to calculate or find the right amount of cement, sand, and aggregate required in 1 meter cube of concrete, you need to know about different grades of concrete. Now move towards our main topic, grade of concrete and water-cement ratio. So stay with us till grades of concrete. Different grades of concrete are classified into M5, M7.5, M10, M15 etc., whereas M stands for mix, and the number behind M stands for characteristic compressive strength of the concrete, in Newton per millimeter square, at the rate of 28 days when checked with 15 times 15 times 15 centimeters cube in direct compression test. The concrete mix ratio for M20 grade of concrete is 1:1.5:3, that mean 1 part of cement, 1.5 part of sand, fine aggregate, and 3 parts of aggregate, crushed stone, in volume and then batched for mixing. To know the concrete mix design, follow this formula. Different grades of concrete. Different grades of concrete has different concrete mix proportions, which means different concrete mix ratios. The concrete mix design has the following concrete mix proportions. Different types of concrete mixes. Concrete mixes are primarily divided into the 2 different types: nominal mix, design mix. Nominal mix. Nominal mix is generally adopted for small-scale constructions. In this type of mix, the mix ratios and concrete constituent proportions are prefixed and specified. M20 the quantity of cement, sand, and aggregate is batched in volume as per the fixed ratio 1:1.5:3. From the above table till M25 grade, the concrete proportions are called as nominal mix concrete. Design mix. Design mix concrete is adopted for high-rise constructions. In this type of mix, the mix ratios are decided by an engineer after analyzing the properties of individual ingredients of concrete. Like, cement is tested for fineness modulus and specific gravity of cement in the lab. While deciding the design mix ratio, there is no prefixed ratio, and ingredients are batched in weight. From the given table, concrete grades more than M25 falls in design mix. In simple, design mix refers to the ratios which are decided by the designer. Now move towards water-cement ratio. Water-cement ratio means the ratio between the weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. Normally water-cement ratio falls under 0.4 to 0.6 as per IS Code 10262, 2009, for nominal mix. M10, M15 till M25. We all know that water-cement ratio will directly affect the strength of concrete. Either it increases the strength, if used in correct proportion, or decrease it. But have you ever think about it, why we are using water if it has so much difficulty? Role of water in concrete. Concrete is a macro content. It contains micro-ingredients such as cement, sand, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate. In order to acquire high-strength concrete, which withstands up to our desired compressive strength, we need correct proportion of admixture to combine these materials. Here comes the water which will initiate this chemical process by adding 23% to 25% of the cement volume. This initiates the chemical process and makes 15% of water-cement paste, also known as a gel, to fill the voids in the concrete. Effects of too much water in concrete. As stated above, we need 23% of water to initiate the chemical process on cement. Adding more water than this allowable water-cement limit will actually affect the strength. If we keep on adding water to increase the workability, then the concrete has lots of fluid materials where the aggregates will settle down. Once the water evaporated, it leaves lots of voids in concrete, which affects the concrete strength. But if we follow the guidelines in order to maintain the strength of the concrete, then it will affect the concrete workability and make us hard to handle and place them. Calculation of water quantity for concrete. If you enjoyed our today's video, then like and share our today's video and subscribe our channel.